Now, stability continues to persist across the Caribbean. We do have stable conditions across the area. We're also seeing some moisture convergence in the western portion of the basin from those strong winds that are blowing across the region, piling up with showers and thunderstorms building across the western Caribbean and also across Cuba and some sections of western Jamaica. Now, stability is expected to be the order of the day as we move into the weekend, and those strong winds continue as well. Shallow trough systems are across the east, but nothing in terms of any significant shower or thunderstorm development. The forecast for tonight has fair skies across the region and across the area. We're expecting temperatures to drop to 26 degrees Celsius in Kingston, 25 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. The winds on the north coast tonight are from the east-northeast, averaging about 10 knots, and they're easterly on the south coast, also averaging 10 knots. In the morning tomorrow, expect partly cloudy skies. Hazy conditions start as early in the morning, and we are expecting the haze to continue in the afternoon. Windy conditions are also expected on the partly cloudy skies, highs of 35 degrees Celsius in Kingston and 34 degrees Celsius in Montego Bay. Partly cloudy and hazy conditions persist across the area tomorrow. Expect strong winds as well across the southeast, also across southwestern parishes, and in the northwest as well in Montego Bay and Falmouth. Expect generally sunny conditions for the northeast in St. Anne's Bay and Ocho-Rios, with partly cloudy and hazy skies elsewhere. Now, for the next few days, we're expecting generally sunny conditions as we move into the weekend. Strong winds are expected across the area, and the haze continues as well. Winds are expected to weaken by Monday. The small craft warning stays in effect for inshore areas of the north tomorrow. Winds are reaching 25 knots, wave heights reach 2.5 meters. It extends to the south as well. Easterlies reach 25 knots, wave heights reach 2.5 meters. And the small craft warning also is expected across offshore areas tomorrow, with wave heights reaching 2.5 meters. It's quite likely that we'll be lifting the warning sometime on Monday. The winds are dropping back down to about 20 knots from the east, with wave heights reaching 2 meters. Sunset in Kingston tomorrow 6:38 and at 6:44 in Negril. That's it for the weather report and forecast this evening. Thank you so much for watching.